Okay, Rex. Hey, what are you? Hey, how you doing? All right, he's gonna get his vaccinations and shots. Here we go. This is Rex. Rex is sick.
Yes.
He has a lot of ticks. He needs vaccinations. We have a doctor on call. Dr. Adon. Hello, Dr. Adon. Are you here to treat the animal?
I am okay.
Okay, so what are we doing today?
Rex sick. Je vais soigner Rex. Quand il est malade, il a la maladie contre les tiques le plus pyroplasmose. Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to hold Rex while he gets a shot in his ass. In Africa, they don't really take care of or vaccinate their pets very often. A lot of people here are not dog people. It's not like America where everyone loves dogs. Here, there are many stray dogs. That's this way.
Merci. Sorry.
So, Rex has been eating out of garbage cans and being a little stray dog. His owners don't really take care of him, so I'm going to adopt him. We're going to get his parvo and all his immunizations. We're going to give him a bath. Make sure he gets all his shots. Yeah, we're going to get rid of this. He's probably sick from being bitten by ticks
Yes.
and fleas, so his nose is very dry.
Right.
Yeah, so he's not.
Gencive. C'est une gencive.
Oh, his
C'est
teeth.
une gencive.
What was?
Hey,
What,
tranquille.
he's not going to like this very much. He's going to get a shot to the nape of his neck.
Yes.
So I'm going to look away because I don't like needles. Injections going. Oh. Okay. Oh yes, I know. Okay, he didn't like that. Okay. It's okay. Oh no. Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
C'est bon. Non, viens.
Okay, we'll do part 2 in a minute. Okay, we got him back. Now he's gonna get a shot in his rump. He's my boy. This is my son. It's like when you take your kids and go to get a vaccination. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. There, that wasn't so bad. Okay, what was that one? That was the antibiotic. Okay, it's okay, buddy.
Ça va aller?
It's okay, buddy. I got you. It's okay, buddy. Here we go. You're okay.
Rex est fort.
You're okay. Strong boy. Strong boy. It's okay.
C'est bon.
Okay, you're okay.
Yes. Again.
Okay.
C'est bon. C'est bon. Rex.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Come here.
Rex.
Come here.
Then 2 in finish. I make here. Yeah, 2 is finished, okay? Il reste 2, c'est bon. Il reste 2.
There we go, Freddie. You're okay. Good job, doctor.
Finish.
Oh, he's got his antibacterial. He's got his flea and tick medication, vitamins.
Anémie, vitamine.
Okay.
Blue.
So now we just got to get the vaccinations, right? Now we just got to get the vaccinations
Yes.
and a bath.
Vaccination and separation for tick plus medicamentos.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Thank you, Dr. Adon. Rex was very sick, so now he's going to be all better. Right, Rex? Good job.